Hi, it's Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and today we're going to talk about pearls. One of my favorite things. I am a pearl collector for years, and today I'm going to show you 5 different kinds of pearls from all around the world. Okay, let us get started. Dun, 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 dun. All right, putting this together was quite exciting because I have Akoya, Tahitian, South Sea, Edison, and Freshwater. Let's start with the classic Akoya. These are Akoya pearls. I was so lucky to go to Japan, go to a show that had local vendors selling pearls from Japan. So these Akoyas, they're about 8 millimeters, round shape. They're very traditional. I remember when I lived in Japan and I went for my freshman year of college on a scholarship. My host family gave me a pair of Mikimoto earrings for my first year there. And I was like, wow. So Japanese pearls have this very beautiful shine to them. And I think when people think about pearls, this is what they're thinking about. So this is a foundation for any collection. You can wear one, you can wear them as earrings, single drop, beautiful. That's an Akoya pearl. Look. I love them in all sizes. Then let us go to Tahiti. And we do have a lot of pearls by the piece. But for this tin box, I just wanted to show you what the potential is of when you put pearls together and how to put them together. So Tahitian pearls come from a black lip oyster. So these are not dyed and they are cultured. So there's one by one grown in a black lipped oyster. They are from French Polynesia and they come in like greens, silver, aubergine, eggplants. Oh, gunmetals. They are gorgeous. I've been to Tahiti. I've gotten to be a part of the process of to see how they're grown and how they're cultured, how they're taken from the shells. Oh my gosh. They're very dramatic, bold, beautiful. Now, I just love Tahitian pearls. They to me they go with everything. So you can see this one has more of a tendency towards the blues. This one more on the greens. This one more with greens and a little bit more of the silveries. And this one has like reds. The reds are some of my favorites. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. Okay. So these are bracelets. So if you're in the mood for a bracelet, pick one up in this show because I did put them on special pricing. This has gold fill rounds, and the other 3 have Navajo silver beads with them. Absolutely beautiful. I will have to talk about Navajo silver in another tin box. Okay, all you cuties go over here. Next up is South Sea pearls. South Sea pearls are yellow. Gorgeous, gorgeous gold, rare yellow. These, I think I just asked Jason, were from close to the Philippines. So they're from warm waters. They have such this satiny luster, very luxe, a very collectible. Jason does drill all of our pearls for us. So if you see something you like and you want to add it and you're a gold girl, this is definitely one for you. South Seas natural golden pearls. Natural, not dyed. None of these are dyed. These are the natural colors. And then we're going to talk about Edisons. They're kind of a newcomer to the market. So Edisons, they do come colored and they do come natural. So these happen to be natural. And they're really affordable. They're also done as culture. They come in like the pinks, the purples, the bronzes, and the prices are, they tend to be more friendly than the South Seas pearls. So this is a really great way to get a big pearl with big color and big luster. And finally, so if you want one of these, oh my gosh, let us know. And then I have Chinese Freshwater. Now, in the almost 30 years we've been selling beads, Chinese Freshwater has been our classic go-to. You cannot go wrong with these. They're fun. They come in great colors, great shapes. I have been using them for 30 years in my beading. They're affordable, versatile, and they're easy to drill. So if you want them with big holes, we did pick one big hole one for this tin box. So you can experiment with Chinese freshwater pearls. None of them, or hardly any of them, in these intense colors. So if it looks like a South Seas or if it looks like Tahitian, these definitely are color enhanced. Okay. And I think, though, that you'll have fun playing with these. They're such a staple in beading. I hope this inspires you to look at Akoya's, Chinese Freshwater, Tahitian, Edison, and South Seas pearls. Thank you so much for joining me and have a pearly kind of day. Bye bye.